Jamaican singer, musician and songwriter Bob Marley, served as a world ambassador for reggae music, and sold more than 20 million records. He is considered one of the pioneers of reggae. His musical career was marked by fusing elements of reggae, ska, and rocksteady, as well as his distinctive vocal and songwriting style. What was Bob Marley's last words? Bob Marley passed away at the Cedars of Lebanon Hospital in Miami on May 11, 1981. His final words to his son Ziggy were, "Money can't buy life." Though raised as a Catholic, Marley became interested in Rastafari beliefs in the 1960s, when away from his mother's influence. After returning to Jamaica, Marley formally converted to Rastafari, and began to grow dreadlocks. His voice was an omnipresent cry in our electronic world. His sharp features, majestic looks, and prancing style is more than a vivid etching on the landscape of our minds.